Hey, it's Ramey at UMI Performance, here to introduce our new 3623 coilover kit for 1978 to 1996 GM B-body cars. So this will help your Caprice or Impala have rear ride height adjustability, spring rate changes, a lot of neat stuff on this one. So we have a double shear upper mount, goes up on the cross member. We have a Viking spring, Viking shock, helper spring, and then this is the real neat part of this one. It's the lower bracket that fits the GMB body axle housing, so it puts a true double shear racing coilover on the back of your GMB body. Also available to complement your UMI 3623 kit, we have a Viking A225-550R kit that fits the GMB body perfectly. 78 through 96, 550 spring rate is the most common for that application. These shocks are also double adjustable, so you can change your compression and rebound. All in all, this is just a pretty fantastic way to get ride height and damping adjustability for your 78 to 96 GMB body. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.